Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the fifth question of the HCF and LCM chapter. So question says there are 5 positive integers a, b, c and d and e such that LCM of these 5 integers is twice the HCF of the 5 integers. So if I just process this information that LCM is twice the HCF, okay, that means in these 5 integers, some of them are of the form p and some of them are of the form 2p. Okay, only then it is possible that over here if you find the HCF of this p and 2p, a couple of them are p's, couple of them are 2p's, there might be a case. So if you find the HCF like this, your HCF will be p and LCM will be 2p of this. Okay, so let's say in these 5 I can have 3 p's and 2 2p's. I can also have 1 p and all of them 2p. Okay, but also I can have 4 p's and 1 2p in any format. So I need at least one of them to be p and one of them to be 2p. This is what I need over here. Now it also says that a is less than equal to b, is less than equal to c, is less than equal to d and is less than equal to e. Okay, so what it means is a has to be the minimum most, definitely. A is the minimum most. Okay, why? Because if a can be equal to p, b can also be equal to p, c can also be equal to p, d can also be equal to p, but then e has to be equal to 2p because one of them has to be 2p. Or it can say that a is equal to p, b is equal to p, c is equal to 2p and so on. C is equal to 2p, d is equal to 2p and e is equal to 2p. So these are the possibilities. There are other multiple possibilities, but a has to be p in all of these cases. So a has to be the minimum most over here. Now it says if one of the 5 integers, so a is the minimum, we have figured out. A is the minimum. If one of the 5 integers is equal to 50, one of them is 50, then what is the difference between the maximum value of a and the minimum value of a? So if one of them is 50, I can have a as 50, okay, and any one of them either b or c or d or e, at least one of them to be equal to 100. Okay, so minimum, so a can have 50 and any one of them apart of from that can have 100. Also if I have, let's say, e as 50, because it says one of them is 50, e is the maximum one. So if e is 50, then a has to be 25. There is no other possibility. So if a is 50, one of the other one has to be 100, but if e is 50, then a is 25. Now it says what is the difference between maximum value of a and minimum value of a. Maximum value of a is 50 here and minimum value of a is 25 here. So difference between them will be 50 minus 25 is equal to 25. Alright, so 25 over here is the right answer. Alright, it's 50 minus 25. 50 is the maximum value, 25 is the minimum value. So the difference between them is 25. That's the answer.